I'm excited about this. It comes in a small package, but let me show you what's in here. This little KELIN toolbox holds one of those magic ratchets. Now, the awesome thing about this thing is it's all magnetic pieces that just hold in various places. And it's a ratchet. It comes with a variety of bits. You have this typical Phillips head and flathead screwdriver tips. It also has some Allen key or hex key tips and some Torx tips. And the cool thing about the Torx tips is there's security tips that are have the little hole in the center of them. So you have all those little settings in here. This thing's gonna be great for working on bikes or some of my other tools. Let me show you about that. This handy little gadget here is gonna come in real handy when I'm working on my family bikes. Like this is my daughter's bike here. And you can see like down here, well, you can't really see it, there's a hex key that's kind of hard to get to. But with this, I can drop right in here and get that hex key in there and do what I need to, and I can get enough torque on it as well to get that done. This hex key, I can put it in here and I can make the adjustments that I need on this bike with this tool, and it's easier to grab than a traditional Allen key or Allen wrench. And so I'm gonna enjoy having this thing around to work on different things. I wish that when I was putting my CNC together that I would have had a tool like this rather than a standard Allen key. For doing something like assembling this CNC where you have all these little Allen keys in here, you know, that would have made this so much easier just to be able to come in here with this and get these things tightened down. This thing's super handy to have around, especially for small screws or even working on bicycles or other types of mechanical parts.